Hi, Sylvia Sternova, Spirit Alchemist. Today I'd like to talk about programs and self-limiting beliefs. Our programming is formed mostly between the ages of 0 to 7. So as children, we're very impressionable and we usually observe and adapt and absorb the behaviors that are and examples that our parents set for us, or we form our opinion about life and safety based on what we see in our surroundings. So television is huge. That's where a lot of the programming comes through, as well as social media, examples and behavioral patterns of our surrounding circle of influence, which is our parents or grandparents or caregivers and so forth, school, friends, etc. And then later in life, we just react or run our life based on our upbringing and programming, consciously and unconsciously. And if you are willing to and wanting to change your life, then you must know that often what holds us back is our self-limiting beliefs, which are formed due to our programming. And sometimes we know they exist and sometimes we don't know. However, most of us have self-limiting beliefs that are formed based on things that we believed or we were told to be true, that are keeping us from having things we want in life and accomplishing our heart's desire. So a lot of these self-limiting beliefs are unconscious. In my practice, I can test and find what they are, and there's a series of exercises that we can do to release them and reprogram our behavior that serves us in a desirable way and releases those negative self-limiting beliefs. But often people don't know what they are, so we'll go to a series of charts and a little interview, and we can pretty much nail it down to what the core reason is. Often we believe we're unworthy or don't deserve to have things in life, or are simply not good enough because when we're children somebody told us that we weren't and we believed it, and that became true for us. This is just an example of how the self-limiting beliefs could form. I wanted to share that with you, so you know there's ways to deal with that and in a positive manner and release those blocks that are holding you back. Thank you. Have a great day.